guys, I'm getting ready for work and I'm almost done. Sorry I didn't take you guys along as I was dressing. This is NG Space and my name is Ngozi. Welcome to my space. I'm getting ready for work this morning and I'm sorry I didn't show you guys. So yeah, that's me. Simple, easy going. I'm gonna get ready for work. I'm just gonna do a quick one. So I'm ready and off to work. I'm wearing my jacket because it's freezing cold. I'm ready. I'm going downstairs now. It's not always easy, oh. I tell you. See how I'm rushing, eh? See how I'm rushing, seriously. I need to go and bring the car from garage. I'll see you guys later, bye. Guys, you can't even see them in my garage now. I need to put the lights on. This is one of the reasons I don't like videoing myself going to work. So I have to get in the car now. It's so stressful. It's not easy at all. So you can see that it's dark. I have to put this light on, which is not really clear enough to cut off traffic. I have to follow Appian Way. So yeah, it's 7:48. I'm supposed to be at work at 8 o'clock. My office is not far from my house. So if I've left the house at say 7:45, I'll be able to get there. But I left a few minutes late, so that's okay by me. I just pray that I don't see much of traffic, which I am going to encounter now. I've seen it from afar. So yeah, I'm in my office car park and I'm just going to park. That's my office. I'm on the second floor. Looking for where to park now. I'm already late, 7 minutes late. I was supposed to start 8 o'clock. Now I'm going home. I did have day at work, so yeah. I feel like having chocolate. Maybe I'll have to stop by in one of the local shop near my area to get some chocolate. Thanks for following me to work today. I didn't show you much, but thank you for following me. So we're going home to carry on with yeah. So I'm going to show you what I got from Next today. So this is what I got from Next. So I got this one for £26. I also bought a dress for my little baby girl, 9th secondary school. I bought this for her, like a gown, and it has a smaller top that you can wear inside. It's click and collect. I ordered online, okay, and I went there to pick this pink. I guess you guys might have seen me do a video with this product. It's really nice and I've gone for it again. The one I have is finished. It's from Next, Just Pink. You remember this? I did smell good for less. I got this mascara, okay. I got that for £3.99. So yeah, that's mascara. So I also bought this one from Boots as well. You can see there is Romel London in dark brown and it's a wonderful eyebrow. I just decided to try this because the eye pencil I had before, I don't know what's happening. When I use it, it's too dark for me. So I decided to go for this. and see how it's gonna look like. So that's so this is the yam I got from the African shop. That is for £5.50. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Right, so this is the end of today's video, and I'm ready with my fried yam and plantain and my sauce, of course, the sauce ready for dinner. If you have stayed up to this point, thank you so much. But don't forget to like the video, share the video, and do leave me a beautiful comment. Also, turn on your notification bell, subscribe, so anytime I upload a new video, you will definitely be notified. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.